Charlie, I have a question for you. Charlie.
Hello, Catherine.
I have been wondering if you have ever done any type of algorithms, kind of like brain puzzles.
Catherine, it is my job to do just that exactly. If you have any other questions, please make it something that is not so mundane.
Things like, if a black hole was on one side of the universe and a white hole was on the opposite side of the universe, and eventually, if those two came together and the white hole settled inside the center of the black hole, what would happen?
That I could think of is that you would create a pocket dimension, one that rides the cusp of the horizon that once was. Something new would be formed. And when that is formed, it would be an unknown.
Well, better yet, I have another one. Okay, this one is simple. And I think, Charlie, that you might not know this, so let's go ahead and find out. Hey, Charlie, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?